Hi guys! Good morning! So, today is Sunday. Mag-celebrate ako ng aking birthday sa park. Magpipiknik kami ngayon ng aking mga friend. Magkikita-kita kami ngayon guys doon. Tsaka, nung kami mag-order sa mag-lipstick muna tayo kasi hara naman mapula-pula ang ating labi. Doon kami magpipiknik guys sa park sa Remilat. Last week nandoon ako. Kaya dadalhin ko yung mga kaibigan ko doon kasi masarap guys doon yung inihaw na chicken. So yun yung treat ko sa birthday ko. Pag Sunday doon guys, ang daming tao kaya kailangan maaga. So, pula ng ating lipstick. Pwede na yan. Para naman mabuhay-buhay tayo. So guys, see you there. Dadalhin ko kayo guys doon sa aming picnic with friends. See you there. Yan na. Yes. Say hi.
Hello, my friends.
Guys, we are here again in Korean restaurant in Armilat. I will celebrate my birthday here with Yana. So guys, dahil yung mga in-order namin. Chicken, all chicken. And kibda. Yan. Kibda and kibda. There's a lot of mobs over there. And the grill area is just there. So guys, we are just roaming around while we are waiting for our order. Here is the parking area of this restaurant.
Yeah, this is all my cars.
Yes. How I wish. We have one car. See, gaganda guys. Very nice place for relax. See. There is a stair going down. See? So guys, ganda ng place. Mountain park. It's relaxing here. You know, for example, if you want to come here, even just normal Sunday, bring your coffee, buy bread, and you come just here, relax. You can see the 1 hour like this.
Look, it's only cat.
Yeah.
I think it's
yeah. Like they did not see the beach. They did not see the beach. Zoom?
yes, like zoom and yes,
like this. Yes. There's a beach over there.
Thank you.
Sarap naman ng kainan natin. Guys, picnic.
Ako din, ga. Please.
Mahabang cobs.
sarap ng manok.
Ito yun. Ito yung pangalan.
Di ba sabi mo?
Ito na yun, di ba?
Mami! Yes. Living! How's the food, Yana? Good?
Hindi. Kasi pag nagkakaganto ako na
Ganda. Relaxing.
Parang lumamig na yung hangin. Walang bango na habang
Bango?
barbecue kumakain ka.
Oo.
Ay, inggit siya.
Guys, we are done picnic. Uwian na.
Gusto niya laro doon.
Nagsak na yung mata niya.
Oo. antok na.
Bahala na bagsak. Basta ang tinapay niya. Ano?
Yakap ya. Hanggang pagtulog niyan, hindi niya makalimutan.
Pagising. Ha?
Oo. Bawal daw mag-bonfire.
Hindi, pwede. Ito lang daw pwede.